Namaste, welcome back to Yoga and You, and this is Dhivyam, a freelance yoga instructor based in Chennai. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the lizard pose. So lizard pose is going to be a great stretch for your leg muscles, your groins, your inner thighs, your quads, and basically your leg muscles. So incorporating lizard pose into your yoga practice will definitely improve a lot of flexibility in your leg muscles and your hips. So let's move on to the posture.
Now begin to come on to all fours and prepare yourself to downward dog so that you stretch your leg muscles before stepping onto the actual lizard posture. So take few deep breaths in down dog. So once you're ready, take your left foot and place it on the outer side of your left arm, so which helps in creating a lot of room and opening in your groins and your hips. So if you need to intensify the stretch even more, place your elbows down onto the mat and interlock your fingers and stay in this position for quite a good breath. And once you're ready, again straighten your arms and bring your leg back to downward facing dog and relax in child's pose.
In this episode, I'm going to be demonstrating Vakrasana, which is a spinal twist, seated spinal twist. So this Vakrasana is actually a preparatory posture for Ardha Matsyendrasana. If you are a beginner and you are really looking for a spine twisting posture, then you could always start with Vakrasana. So let's see how to do the posture. So for Vakrasana, let's begin by sitting in Dandasana, the staff pose. For that, you need to stretch both your legs forward and rolling your shoulders back, keeping your spine really tall and nice. And from here, bending your right knee first, so keeping your right foot closer to your left knee. This is a seated spinal twist, right? So obviously when you are going to twist, you need to take your opposite arm. So from here, as you inhale, taking your left arm all the way up and lengthening the left side of your body. And once you're ready, as you exhale, take your left elbow and place it on the outer side of your right thigh, and from here placing your palm onto your side of your butt and the right hand goes all the way back. Be relaxed in the posture and observe what it does to your body. So if your body is like this, then you're not connected with your body. So from here, inhale, open your heart, the chest is open, your shoulder is open. Now you can always look back. If you have any neck issues, then you can keep your focus right here, but if you are okay, then you can turn and look back, which will create length in your spine. And hold here for 3, 2, 1. And to release the posture, inhale one more time, releasing your arm up and relax. Now make sure to do the posture for the other side as well to feel the complete benefit of the posture. And thank you. Demonstrated about Vakrasana, which is a preparatory posture for Ardha Matsyendrasana. So in this video, let's move on to the actual posture. So this posture is actually named after a great yogi named as Matsyendranath. So moving on to Ardha Matsyendrasana, we need to involve both our knees, but in Vakrasana, it was like just bending one knee. From here, you need to bend your right knee and take the other knee, just like in Gomukhasana, you would stack both your knees over and over. But in this posture, you are going to take the upper leg all the way up. So just pressing the inner thigh towards your abdomen. So which is going to basically massage your abdomen. And again, it is a seated twist. So you need to take your opposite arm. So which is my left knee is up in the air. And from here, I'm taking my opposite arm. So which is like inhale, bringing my right arm all the way up and keep pushing it towards my chest and holding it with my elbow here. And again, my right arm is to the side of the butt and left arm goes all the way back, creating this twist. And again, it opens up your heart, the nice twist in the back, and hold the posture for 3, 2, 1. And again to release, inhale, arms up, exhale and release. So make sure you practice this posture again by switching up your legs. Enjoy the benefits of the posture.